have to tidy
4,
after streaming with
3, 2, 1. Flip.
You need to
Tails never fucking fails, dude. I told you. I told you, dude. I told you, dude. Tails never fucking fails, dude. I literally said it at least 5 times.
I'd already committed my points.
Let's go.
At least 5 times.
Tails never
Pay it out, dude. Pay the fuck out, dude. Honestly, pay it out.
You.
I think I got cheese sauce on the lens.
I'm leaving the call. I'm out of here.
We're all in to kick it out. Partnering to end discrimination, one bottle of water at a time. Crystal Geyser, straight from the mountain source. Paid for by the Lizard Lives Matter movement.
Add LULW. Nishin you cook. Lizard lives matter.
Yo, Izzy, are you talking about Go-Gurt?
My message.
I heard you, Izzy. You're talking about Go-Gurt? And the tube that you guys squeeze it out? Dude, I haven't had Go-Gurt in forever. But I used to love the fucking cotton candy Go-Gurt. I don't know if they still make those, but that shit was great.
I think so, but they call it something else in Sweden. Make it an hour. Yeah.
Yo, soy sauce. An hour? Yo, I'm honestly with that. Olives? What's good soy sauce?
I got the sauce in my tubes too. Do you still want my blood? What Mommy Pilkers said.
I don't know who's offering their blood, but give me.
Is that blue jizz?
Can I have some tube sauce? Dude, where are you seeing blue jizz? Frubes. Let me see if I can search that. Frubes.
Scientifically, my tubes are called fallopians. Yeah, that is certified blue jizz.
Yeah, they call these Go-Gurts here. But it looks like the same thing. And if you pop them in the freezer...
Keeps blue jizz in the fridge.
Dude, if you put the shit in the freezer... That shit is great, Izzy. Hashtag don't free albino wolf. True. Yeah, dude, Izzy, toss that shit in the freezer. They're so fucking good. They are so good.
I never even fucking thought of that. That's such a good idea.
Dude, Go-Gurt in the freezer? Yeah, that shit is... Do they still make Go-Gurt, though? Because honestly, I completely forgot that shit existed until Izzy was saying it.
I feel like they do, right? They gotta.
Dude, I keep touching the coom on my fucking apron. And my hand, like, sticks to it.
Stop
Freckles broke the TTS. It's unintentional. Oh, wait, have you cooked your chicken yet?
Yeah, my chicken's all done. I did it at the same time I did my tater tots.
I completely
Oh, you got plenty of time.
Too much added sugar, lol. I do
got my eggs getting ready
keep
too.
My kids away from it. I thought Izzy was the only one who could do it. TTS. Freckles fighting
too much added sugar?
I respect it.
You do stupid shit to keep your kids away from it? Oh, there's a lot of sugar in Go-Gurt? I could probably imagine that, yeah. But the cotton candy Go-Gurt is fucking good.
You shall not have death's blood.
You can't resist it, Dad. Let's pop the shit on top of the fucking pineapple backs.
A death mask to 11,111. Can I have death's hug? Reheat the tots.
I mean, it'll probably get warmed up when we put all the cheese sauce on them.
Yeah, I think they'll be fine. I could probably reheat them at the end with the fucking chicken though. Dude, I'm surprised you don't have an air fryer. Have you ever used an air fryer?